talking about Masicka's interview that he did on ER a few days ago. And when you see the book come out, you guys know it's real. It's real deal, Holyfield. This it's gonna be everything that he talked about in the interview and what are my thoughts and opinions on his music and him as an entertainer. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinion, please keep on watching your girl, cause I have a lot. So Masicka is an up and coming DJ or entertainer, artist, or whatever category you want to put him in. Masicka started out the interview by saying he is the most paid singer that does dub plates. Really, Masicka? God no? Really? You're the most paid artist that do dub plates? Me not think so. Me think more like Sizzla, Bounty, Beanie, Vibes Cartel, and even Alkaline get more money on a dub than you. And why, I'll talk about later. And then they also talked about Foota Hype, saying he's overrated. And honestly, I think Foota Hype is kind of... I feel Foota Hype have a bit of envy as far as Masicka is concerned, because as you guys know, Masicka did a song with Aishana. They collaborated, they did a music video, and it was kind of like a love song. Masicka, they say how Foota Hype, they carry kitty feelings because of the song and video that he did with Aishana and all these things. Honestly, we feel like Foota Hype will low you up. Like, love the artist them way him ex-fiance do collaborations with, because it's not really worth it. They have a kid together, they're going to be in each other's life forever, so it's up to them to be adults and co-parent, and this whole thing in the media is not a good look for them or for their child, because their child will get older basically, and this stuff will still be on the internet for them to see and look into when they get older. So they need to act like grown up as far as that is concerned. And for I feel low the pum feelings, like big man have to carry pum feelings at 2016 now. And Foota Hype have one no-name artist that he said is better than Masicka. God know, I put up some of his songs here on YouTube, and some of the man sang them are trash. Like, honestly, they're trash. Like, they're not in Masicka's league as far as Masicka is concerned. And Foota Hype, they talk about how Masicka is a recording artist and not a performing artist, because Masicka don't know if he perform on stage and all these things. But honestly, Foota Hype, no-name artist, is like a made in China version of young Alkaline when Alkaline just did boss. He has nothing going for him basically. He doesn't stand out, he doesn't have any lyrics, he don't have nothing. So as far as that no-name artist where Foota they push compared to Masicka, is no comparison there. And I'm not a big Masicka fan, I mean not really push Masicka or any of that, but if you tell the truth, Foota no-name artist cannot be compared to Masicka and the music that Masicka has put out so far, basically. And also Masicka, they talk about how Bounty Killer this Foota Hype, and Masicka also talked about how Bounty Killer this Foota Hype and the Jamaican cruise. But you know how when people left Bounty camp, Bounty always diss them on stage and call them out and all these things. It goes with the territory, especially when you're in alliance, and the same thing in Mavada, the same thing in the cartel. It comes with the territory, and what they have is beyond me. I don't really know the ins and outs of what the beef is really about, but Foota left alliance, and that's what caused Bounty to diss him on the Jamaican cruise. It is what it is. Bounty a real general, and if Bounty diss you, then you need to be careful, because people like that can stop your career and stop you from making food in the dancehall industry. So Foota really needs to be careful of what he's doing in this business. as far as generals and big top artists is concerned. Foota talk too much. God know, like me watch the interview with him and DeMarco and another DJ, and God know, Foota need to take time and talk and like watch when the white squall and mouth corner like when in the talk and all these things, like the man talk too much sometime, man. And you know give nobody else no room to talk neither when he's doing interviews. And honestly me can't take man like that at all. But somebody tell him on the onstage interview feel like wipe with the white squall and then splice you out of the video. But anyways, let's get back into this thing. And Masa start boast about how he have 3 mil pan in chain and he just buy a new BMW and a 400,000 per show. My youth, you have a 3 mil pan your neck and a brand new BMW. We all know who bought that BMW and who bought that chain. Corey Todd your manager, Corey Todd they pay for that, Corey Todd they pay for everything for you. So don't come on stage and front, but this is the entertainment business. So they have to front for the cameras, they have to front for people to believe what they're saying in their music and all this other stuff. But it is what it is. Like it comes with the territory of being an entertainer. We know see a Corey Todd already. Like we know the people that really know the dancehall business and know how it run as far as music, entertainers, managers and stuff is concerned. We know say yo a Corey Todd have all that money talk and bullshit walks basically. And he said another thing in an interview. 400,000 in the per show. Like my youth, where a Jamaica one promoter I go hire you for 400,000. First of all, you don't need a whole stadium of people in Jamaica like the Lime Show where they normally keep at Kingston. Fee, you get 400,000 per show. Like you kill your career with stuff like that because honestly, no promoter is gonna hire you because no promoter is gonna have a big enough venue to pack that venue and get back a profit of their money that they spent to keep that show. So it's not gonna make no sense for promoter to hire for 400,000 and then not make no profit back. All their money I go to you if you come at them party. That don't make no sense and you're just killing your career with that because you don't have a big enough catalog to be telling people that them need 400,000 to book you for your show. Like really? When I get palm about alkaline level, you can't say yeah, we need 400,000 per bookings. Even alkaline is a big stretch. As far as 400 grand is concerned in Jamaican dollars, that's a lot of money. And these promoters and people that's throwing party need to build, not even build, but need to get back their profits that they put out or break even when they're keeping parties. So I mean, I know where you come from with that. And then him say, can put out the book now. And then him say in the video that if the boss, which is Corey Todd, say him figure thing, but he's not gonna really perform for free. Me not wrong him. He's an artist. Artists need money. Artists them need to feed them family. Them need them have a whole team where them need to feed and help. So I wouldn't suggest anybody perform or sing for free, as far as that is concerned. And him say if the boss if he do it, him will do it. But obviously you can see that Masicka don't really run the show or Corey Todd run the show for him. I feel like Masicka need to build his catalog, need to mold himself into an artist that he needs to be, and he needs to do something that stand out, that's out of the realm. I feel like Masicka kind of try following in footsteps of Idonia as far as the type of entertainer or artist that he is, but honestly, I don't feel like Masicka is in an Idonia category, and Masicka also you want to say one cash Idonia in the past too. Honestly, Masicka, I think you're ready for that. You're a good artist and you do your thing, we can't take that from you, but you need to build your catalog more to be asking for 400,000 for a show. And stop front, my youth, stop front, please. We know exactly what it is. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. That's my thoughts and opinions. I'm up out of here. Deuce.